Hello friends, in this very special video we are going to boost the FPS no matter what computer you have. You will see a very drastic change in your machine. Make sure you perform all the steps which we are going to do. So the very first step is in the search bar type view space advanced and you will get the best match view advanced system settings. Now once you open that, we need to go to advanced tab and click on performance settings. So once the window is opened, we need to select adjust for best performance. Yes. So once we click on that, we just need to click on apply. Now the moment you will click on that, the whole window appearance might look different and you might not like it. But trust me, the whole computer resources will be for the best performance. So when you will be playing any high-end game, GTA, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, any kind of heavy game, you will have way better FPS than earlier. So once you click on that, just click on apply and we will move to the next step. And the next step is in the search bar again we need to type notification. And here you will find notification action settings. So once you click on that, a window will appear like this. Now here I would not recommend to turn off the whole notification because there are tons of applications for which you need the notifications. But here you see get tips, tricks, suggestions, windows. I would recommend to uncheck all these notifications. So once you do that, also look here in the application, whatever the application which you do not need any notification, you can turn it off. Alright, so once it is done, we will move to the next step, and that is again in the search bar, in the start menu. You know, the start menu is a hub, the central unit of the computer. So there are a lot of stuff which we do it in the search bar. So in the search bar, type run and open. And here we need to type clean mgr, my magic step. Now here make sure you select all the junk, temporary files, DirectX cache. All these data is not created by you, it is created by the computer. So make sure you just select all those ones and just click on OK. In most of the computer we have tons of junk sitting there in the machine, so when you turn on or play any games, there are a lot of mess regarding the temporary files. So it looks for the required files and it's not able to find it, or it takes time to find it. This is why we need to always clean the junk. Just like a room, if we have tons of things there and if I want to find something, it will be very tough for me to find it. But if my room is clean, I can find whatever the things I need. So same goes with the computer as well. So once this is done, we will move to the next step, and for that we need to again type run, and here we need to type prefetch. Once you type prefetch, it will ask you to say continue, and here again this is a junk. So select all, press shift and delete and hit enter. Shift and delete, yes. So by doing the shift delete, we are removing all the junks permanently. Once this is done, again here in the start icon we need to just do a right click and go to the task manager, and here we need to go to the startup item. Now do a right click and disable all unwanted applications which you do not want at the startup. It's a very important step. So once this is done, just restart the computer and see the difference. And one more step, oh my god, there is one more final step which we are missing. So here just type power, and here you will see edit power plan or power sleep settings. So we will select power and sleep settings, and at the right hand side you will find additional power settings. So click on that. Now once you do that, you need to change the plan settings, and here make sure you select the high performance. Since it's a work computer, I'm not getting the option to change the high performance, but here you can select the plan. Currently it is balanced. So let's say if you're unable to change the power plan, you can always reset it. So change the power plan and restore to default settings for this plan. Once you do that, you just need to say yes and save changes. Once this is done, restart the computer and see the difference. And if it has worked for you, please hit the like button and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.